This is a good one. See, now it comes straight down on it. Thanks for the flyby, guys. I really appreciate that. I was up to the north, a little bit over to the west. That was cool too, man. Thank y'all. I really appreciate that. There's Andromeda Galaxy right there. Well, that was cool. See, now it was bright too. Thank y'all. Wish y'all let me record that one big one. Man, that was huge. Thank you, guys. I see you. I caught you. What's up, little buddy? What you doing? I see you. Yeah. You guys hang out as much as you want. Yeah. I see you.